Moving here to our 120-acre property has allowed me to explore a new passion of mine, riding and horses. When we moved out to the property, it was a dream come true. After building the arena, I needed to consider the best surface to train on. In my arena, I've decided on sand, which requires the surface to be levelled regularly for less impact on the horses. If you love horses as much as I do, you'll know that having your own arena at home is a dream. With the help of my Land Pride arena grader, it's always looking good, and my horses and I love it. Today I'm going to show you how to maintain your arena using the Kubota B3150 tractor and the Land Pride arena grader. Let's get started. I really enjoy using the Kubota B3150 tractor because I can select four-wheel drive at the start. It also features an excellent turning radius and enough horsepower for the job. I find that the arena grader works best when selecting the right speed on my tractor. I like to run at a medium range around 10 k's an hour. Some key features of the arena grader is that it has three working zones: the S-tines, the levelling board and the roller at the back. The S-tines are great for removing compaction or density layers, making the surface softer and more comfortable for your horses. The adjustable levelling board ensures you can achieve an even finish. It's easy to adjust without any tools, which makes it super convenient. Finally, the roller at the back. There are two alternatives for the roller. The first is the mesh roller. It leaves a smoother, more consolidated surface. The pipe roller produces a softer, more aerated, fluffy finish. Now to show you how to set up the arena grader to the Kubota B3150. We will run through these now. It's a simple process with no tools required. The most important part of your setup is making sure the arena grader frame is level. This is done using the tractor's top link. This is important to get that consistent surface and removes bumps or ruts, leaving the best conditions when riding. Levelling side to side is done using the adjustable lift rod on your tractor's 3-point linkage. Using the lift rod, you can level your implement by raising or lowering one of your lift arms. Now we are going to work on adjusting the implement itself. First off, we will set up the working depth of the S-tines. With most arena surfaces, you don't want to work too deep. The depth is adjusted with the help of the rear roller. This turnbuckle makes it simple and precise to adjust the working depth. Lengthening the turnbuckle reduces the working depth of the tines. Shortening the turnbuckle increases the working depth of the tines. Next, the levelling board. There are 5 positions available for levelling. You want to aim to set the levelling board so that it gently levels the surface, leaving a smooth, uniform finish. Simply remove these clevis pins at each end and adjust the levelling board up or down. Really, there are only a few adjustments required, which are simple to make, ensuring you get the perfect result on your arena. Now to get my arena back in perfect condition. I'm using the mesh roller today. It truly does a fantastic job on my arena, which, as I mentioned, is a sand surface. The Land Pride arena grader is available in 3 sizes: a 1.5 metre, a 1.8 metre or a 2.1 metre wide, each with its own pipe or mesh roller. It's suitable for tractors up to 65 horsepower. Plus, it's quick hitch compatible, making it easy to attach and detach. A well-maintained arena means confident and comfortable horses. Thanks for watching, and for more information, go to kubota.com.au or speak to your local Kubota dealer.